I hope you are doing great. So this is a short clips from the sales we made in Ogun State around Ijebu Day. So a quick advice from us to you. Like we do say, catfish farming business is still a very lucrative business if you do the right thing. For some earthen pond users that believes that they don't need to salt their fishes because their fishes are in a natural habitat. They have these natural feelings that makes them grow, fast. Please and please and please and please, no matter the fish culturing system you are using to rear your fishes, sorting is very, very important. Sorting is very, very important. Don't take sorting for jokes in catfish farming business. For those that are into the earthen pond fish culturing system, you can sort your fish 2 months maximum. 2 months maximum. If you want a good result on your harvest day, make sure you sort your fishes. Tarpaulin pond, concrete pond, earthen pond, sorting is very, very essential. Sorting is key in catfish farming business. If you want to make money from this business, if you want to maximize profit from this business, make sure you don't take sorting for jokes. So that'll be that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, kindly follow all our social media pages. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy.